In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get free GoHighLevel Snapshot templates. GoHighLevel is a powerful tool for digital marketers, offering you the ability to streamline your processes and grow your business more efficiently. But sometimes, building everything from scratch can take time and resources that you'd prefer to save. That's where Snapshot templates come in handy. They can be a real game changer, allowing you to leap ahead with pre-built funnels, automation templates, and more. So how do you get these valuable templates at no cost? Let's dive in. First, we're going to explore how to download these templates from free snapshot libraries. A one-stop shop for this is snapshots.com. This is one of the largest free GoHighLevel resource communities you'll find. They offer a wide variety of free snapshots, including funnels and automation templates, courses tailored to help you upskill, and agency resources that are particularly valuable for those managing multiple clients. What sets this site apart is its open community ethos. According to the site, you can access community-shared snapshots without the hassle or commitment of affiliate signups. This means you don't need to jump through hoops or worry about restrictive conditions just to gain access to these time-saving resources. When you visit snapshots.com, what you'll find is a clean, user-friendly interface designed to make your template search seamless. Start by exploring the platform's categorized sections, which make it easy for you to navigate and find exactly what you need. Whether you're looking to enhance your lead generation, build dynamic automated processes, or find the perfect course to boost your skills, this site has got you covered. Another great aspect of snapshots.com is that it's built on community contributions. This means you're not just benefiting from professional developers or marketing experts, but also from peers who are willing to share what's worked for them in the field. This collective knowledge can often provide you with tips and strategies you might not find elsewhere. So, if you're in the sphere of digital marketing and you use GoHighLevel, make snapshots.com your go-to resource. The process is straightforward. Simply visit the site, browse through the various templates and resources available, and download what you need. This no-cost solution can save you a ton of time while giving you the flexibility to customize these templates to better align with your specific business needs. Remember, in the world of digital marketing, efficiency and adaptation are key. Utilizing free resources wisely, like those available through snapshots.com, can save you time and enable you to focus on growing your business. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just getting started, leveraging these tools can enhance your strategies without costing you a penny. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tips and resources in digital marketing.